Hello everyone, it's Gigi. This morning I went out, guys. At 9 I had to go to my front office because I had a package that was missing that they had. And when I opened the door, I already had a package there and it wasn't anything I ordered. And so I opened it, but I didn't open the package. I just wanted to see who it was from, if I could see who it was from. And there was a little note inside, and here it is, and it says, "A gift for you. I hope you like this, Gigi. I'm Heather Hamilton on YouTube and Crafty Girl Heather on IG. I will be sending your card also from Heather Hamilton. Heather, you are a sweetheart." Guys, I'm in shock, but I didn't open it yet. I mean, I opened the package, but I didn't open the gift. So I want to do that on camera for her. So here it says, "Happy B-Day." Oh my goodness. Heather, what did you do? I don't know if I can get it open. Okay, yes I can. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so cute. Look, guys. Oh, she sent me a mug with bees. It says, "Happy Bee Day." I love it. Thank you so much. Oh, you made my day. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. And I don't have anything like it. Oh, I love it so much, Heather. Thank you. Thank you for making my day. I really appreciate it. You are such a sweetheart. Oh, thank you. And thank you for being a subby. And thank you for this sweet gift and for being so thoughtful. You have a good day. Everybody else have a lovely day. Bye-bye.